To me, motorcycle is a big part of camping at this point. I wonder if I would even get into camping if it wasn't for my motorcycle. I don't know. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. This one is a goddamn mission. You know why? Because it's cold. That guy's not wearing a hat. Jesus. It's cold. It's cold, cold, cold. Some days I'm really in the mood for cold, and other days I really am not. And this is one of those days where I'm not sure if I am. And but it happens to be 26 degrees. 26 degrees feels like 18. So in Celsius, that is like -3. That is legit -3 degrees. This guy right here is going to try to race me, but it's going to be okay. He can get ahead if he has to. But this is definitely one of those rides where I've contemplated the train for long and hard. I thought maybe the train is the answer, but I just couldn't bring myself to do it because it is a sunny day. It is a sunny day. Sunny but chilly. Come on, dude, what are you doing, Papa? Gotta make sure everything is tucked in. Everything is zipped up. Look at this person. He's like so warm, he don't even need this gap here. I do. I'll take this gap. I'll take this gap. This building came up pretty damn fast. They were just taking it down not too long ago. It's already up. And look at that Mustang over there. I don't know if you can see it with all that chrome. Chromed out Mustang. Sick as food. Somebody's blasting music somewhere. I can't hear exactly what it is, but I can hear some sort of yelling. Some sort of aggressive hip-hop. Can't go wrong with that. Fucking props to that chick. Oh man, people, like, I used to bicycle any weather 24/7, and that chick just reminded me, like, I used to, like, right now I'm cold, but when you're cold on a bicycle it's a little different because you literally are, you know, warming up. You're getting warmer with every inch you ride. Your body temperature comes up, you know. On the motorcycle it's the opposite. It's like you lose temperature with every minute you ride, but it's okay because it's not going to be like, it's not a long ride that I have in front of me, but you definitely just lose temperature and don't gain anything. Because right now I'm at, like, if 100 degrees is that you're frozen fucking solid, right now I'm at 20%, 20% of 100, 2 out of 10, 3 out of 10. It just about got bumped up, but it is a chilly freaking day. What can one say? Heated gear is the answer, I guess. We'll see. We'll see. This year, I don't want to call it like this winter season or whatever. Like, I don't subscribe to riding seasons versus not riding seasons because it's bike life, but this winter I actually rode less than normal. I rode less than usual. Dude, you gonna go? Not exactly sure what that person was doing, so we'll just get ahead. But yeah, I definitely took the train more, which is not something I usually do. Plus I've been listening to books on tape, audiobooks, so perhaps that's another reason why I took so many trains. And I'm gonna have to split again. Son of a bitch. Son of a freaking bitch. we're back. The temperature gauge is not even engaged yet. It's too cold. There's Popo right there. Son of a bitch. So we won't be able to lane split too far. It's too damn dangerous. So here we are. There's a Popo ahead of me, so the little lane splitting expedition had to come to a swift, abrupt end, unless I get extra creative and go to the right lane and blah blah blah. But I'm just gonna stay here because we're almost there. Just try to absorb this coldness, remember it, make a mental note. I remember when in the summertime when I went camping this one time, we were feeling so good. It was like 80 degrees whatever at night. It was just so hot day, and I remember actually talking about wanting to do winter camping. Like, the idea of winter camping sounded good, where you just like layer up and you just sit there, you make like a nice tent, and you know, and you sleep in it with some, you know, proper gear and have a nice fire pit going in the winter. But like right now I'm thinking about, well, obviously I would not be camping when it's like 20 degrees out, but it still does not sound like all that much fun. I don't know if winter camping is in my cards anytime soon, but at the same time, obviously you would only winter camp if you have proper gear, like proper winter camping gear. Otherwise you legit could freeze to death. So that is why I don't do winter camping, even though I planned on it. Plus I can't really ride a motorcycle to a winter camping location, you know, and to me motorcycle camping is a big part of camping at this point. I wonder if I would even get into camping if it wasn't for my motorcycle. I don't know. I probably would eventually, but motorcycle is definitely a huge part of camping for me. That's why I haven't done much. I've only camped like a handful of times so far, but that's why I have not done any hike-ins, because I want to park my motorcycle right next to the damn camping site. That's my idea of fun, you know. That's definitely my idea of fun. All right, we're almost here. I'm gonna go to the right, just like so. Chilly. This little bastard's always cold. Always cold. That Po 9. Cruising with the window open must be nice. Must be nice and warm in there. I wonder if my vents are open. It's possible. I hope not, but it is possible. So, cold tires, obviously you just don't lean as much. No leaning. You just kind of stay vertical. Look at these savages. Go ahead, kid. You going? I couldn't wait for all the freaking slow-ass pedestrians to cross, because it's too cold. It's too goddamn cold. I can't play that kind of games. All right. Same with parking. Normally I look around and I kind of do like a little parking grand tour. Not this time. Not this time. Anywho, boys and girls, this concludes